Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we will be learning the use of was and were. So let's get started, alright? So the past form of is and am is was. The past form of are is were. The past form of is and am is was, and the past form of are is were. Use of was, were. Was is used to talk about one person or thing in the past tense. Now you must be thinking that what does the word past means? Well, past means something that has already happened. Can you say any action that is completed in a time before now? Alright? On the other hand, where. Where is used to talk about more than one person or thing in the past tense. Was is used with I, he, she, it and singular words. And where is used with we, you, they and plural words. Now let's polish the concept with the help of this table. I was late. He was late. She was late. It was late. Karthik was late. Amisha was late. Karthik and Amisha are singular nouns. Are you clear, children? Yes. How the word was will be used with I, he, she, it and singular words in a sentence. Now let's understand the use of were. It's like we were late. You were late. They were late. Ria and Roshan were late. Right? Now let's have a look at few examples. The child was studying. Here was is used as we are talking about only one child. That means singular noun. Then the children were studying. The children were studying. Here were is used as we are talking about more than one child. That means plural noun. Similarly, the bee was buzzing. The bee was buzzing. The bees were buzzing. The bees were buzzing. The cat was playing. The cat was playing. The cats were playing. The cats were playing. Right? You all know was is used with I, he, she, it and singular noun. Let's have a look at the some sentences to understand the concept more. Okay? I was in class first last year. I was in class first last year. Here the word last year circle. Yes? That we are talking about past tense. Okay, children? Then he was my classmate. She was studying last night. It was raining yesterday. Meera was in the market. I was in class first last year. He was my classmate. She was studying last night. It was raining yesterday. Meera was in the market. Now, where is used with we, you, they and plural noun. Okay, we, you, they and plural noun. For example, we were in class first last year. We were in class first last year. You were the class monitor last month. You were the class monitor last month. They were in Bombay yesterday. They were in Bombay yesterday. The fruits were in the basket. The fruits were in the basket. I was in class first last year. He was my classmate. She was studying last night. It was raining yesterday. Meera was in the market. Okay. Where? We were in class first last year. You were the class monitor last month. They were in Bombay yesterday. The fruits were in the basket. Okay, children. Now moving on the book exercise. Okay. Take page number 60. 16th chapter. Was, where. Was, where. Let's get started. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. I dash 5 years old last year. I dash 5 years old last year. Already நம்ம பார்த்திருப்போம் இல்லையா? am, is, or. am எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணோம், is எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணோம், or எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணோம் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரீவியஸ் லெசன்ல பார்த்திருப்போம் இல்லையா? ஸோ அதே மாதிரி அது ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ். நான் was, were, past tense. ஸோ இங்கே நம்ம அதே am, is, are எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணமோ அதே மாதிரி was, were எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. I dash 5 years old last year. See, look at this picture. I am 6 years old now. இப்போ அவளுக்கு என்ன ஏஜ் ஆகுது? 6 years. Okay. I was 5 years old last year. லாஸ்ட் இயரில் அவளுக்கு என்ன ஏஜ் ஆச்சாம்? 5 years. இப்போ 6 years. I had long hair then. அப்போ அவளுக்கு முடி எப்படி இருந்துச்சாம்? ரொம்ப லாங் ஹேராக இருந்துச்சாம். ஸோ இந்த ஹேர் வந்து உன்னால் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ நோ நீட் டு லிசன் திஸ். ஓகே. I am 6 years old now. I was 5 years old last year. Okay. So what's the answer? I dash 5 years old last year. I last year. Last yearல என்ன அவளுக்கு ஏஜ்? இங்க தானே லாஸ்ட் இயர் இருக்கு. 5 years. So 5 years old last year. So என்ன வரும்? Was. என்ன இருக்கு? I was 5 years old last year. So what will come? Was. W-A-S. Was. I was 5 years old last year. Okay. Second one. I had dash. I had dash. See here, already they have given. I had long hair then. What is the answer? Long hair then. Write the spelling of long hair. L-O-N-G. Long hair. H-A-I-R. Hair then. T-H-E-N. Then. I had long hair then. Okay. Third one. We dash in kindergarten then. What is the answer? Look here. We were in kindergarten last year. So what is the answer? We were. So answer is were. What is the spelling of were? W-E-R-E. Were. We were in kindergarten then. We were in kindergarten then. Complete the sentences. I was 5 years old last year. I had long hair then. We were in kindergarten then. Okay. Then we use was, were and had to talk about something that happened earlier. எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம was, were யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம முடிஞ்சிரும் இல்லையா, நம்ம பேசி முடிச்சிருவோம். அந்த இயர்லியர் ஹேப்பன் இயர்லியர் ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு நம்ம பேசுகிற எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் ஆல்ரெடி நடந்து முடிந்த விஷயத்துக்கு நம்ம வாஸ் வேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அதை என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ்க்கு தான் நம்ம வாஸ் வேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ சம்திங் தட் ஹேப்பன் இயர்லியர். ஓகே. வி யூஸ் வாஸ் when we talk about one person or thing. எங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம ஈஸ் எதுக்கெல்லாம் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஒன் பர்சன் ஆர் ஒன் திங் இல்லையா. அங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஈஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அது சிங்குலர். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி வாஸ் when we talk about one person or thing. வாஸ்ங்கிறது ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸா பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸா? பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ். பட் பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ் அதனால ஆனால் நம்ம அது வந்து சிங்குலர் தான். one person or thing. ஓகேவா? we use was when we talk about one person or thing. அங்கே நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸில் ஈஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இங்கே பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸில் வாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஆனால் சிங்குலருக்கு. ஓகேவா? we also use was with I, he, she and it. நம்ம he is, she is, it is அப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா. ஆனால் ஐக்கு மட்டும் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஆம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் இல்லையா. ஆனால் இங்கே ஐ வந்தாலும் என்ன வரணும்? வாஸ் வரணும். ஓகே. ஐ, ஹி, ஷி அண்ட் இட். ஓகே. இந்த ப்ரனவுனுக்கும் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? வாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே. சிங்குலர். வி ஆல்சோ யூஸ் வாஸ் வித் ஐ, ஹி, ஷி அண்ட் இட். Okay, are you clear, children? Yes. We use were when we talk about more than one person or thing. We use were when we talk about more than one person or thing. Okay? Okay. We use were. இதுவே நம்ம ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸில் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா. வேர்க்கு பதிலாக நம்ம ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸில் ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஆனால் இங்கே வேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இது பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ். ஓகே. ஸோ நம்ம வேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். வி யூஸ் வேர் வென் வி டாக் அபவுட் மோர் தென் ஒன் பர்சன் ஆர் திங். இது ப்ளூரல். ஓகேவா. ஸோ மோர் தென் ஒன் பர்சன் ஆர் திங். இங்கே சிங்குலர். about one person or one thing. ஓகேவா. ஸோ அதனால் வாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணும். இங்கே ப்ளூரல் ஃபார்ம் இல்லையா. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் ஆர் யூ ஆர் யூஸிங் வேர். ஓகே. வி யூஸ் வேர் when we talk about more than one person or thing. Okay. We also use were with we, you and they. We, you and they also we are using were. Okay. Plural form la we were, you were, they were like we are using. Okay. Okay, children? Yes. Look at this table. Now, earlier. Now na இப்ப present tense. இப்ப நடக்குது இல்லையா, அதுதான் நம்ம noun சொல்லிருக்கோம் present tense. earlierனா past tense. ஆல்ரெடி முடிஞ்சு போன இதுக்கு. ஓகேவா. earlier. I am 6 years old. First one. I am 6 years old. இப்ப எனக்கு என்ன ஏஜ்னா 6 years old. இப்ப presentா எனக்கு வந்து 6 years old அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. I was 5 years old. எனக்கு I was 5 years old. அப்படின்னா அப்போது என்னோட ஏஜ் 5 years. இப்போ லாஸ்ட் இயர் என்னோட ஏஜ் என்ன 5 years. ஓகேவா? I am 6 years old. I was 5 years old. இங்கே am. இங்கே என்ன வந்திருக்கு? was. Present tense, past tense. Okay? We are 6 years old. We are 6 years old. எங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே 6 years ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அப்போ ப்ளூரல் சி வி வந்து என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? ஆர். ஸோ வி ஆர் 6 years old. We were 5 years old. லாஸ்ட் இயர் எங்களுக்கு ஏஜ் 5 அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ வி வேர். வி வந்து அங்கே என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும் ப்ளூரல் ஃபார்மில்? வேர். வி ஆர் ஹியர் வி வேர். ஓகே. You are 6 years old. You are 6 years old. You வந்து என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? are. present tenseல are. You are. இங்கே you were 6 years old. You were 6 years old. past tenseல pluralல were வரணும். Okay? He, she, it is 6 years old. He, she, it வந்தா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? present tenseல is. He, she, it வந்தா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? past tenseல was. ஓகே. இங்கே is யூஸ் பண்ணா past tenseல என்ன வரும்? was. It was 5 years old. Are you clear children? See. present tenseல am யூஸ் பண்ணும். I வந்தா. ஆனால் past tenseல am வருமா? வரக்கூடாது. was தான் வரணும். சரியா? past tenseல I, he, she, it எது வந்தாலும் இங்கே என்ன வரணும்? was தான் வரணும். ஓகே. I was 5 years old. present tenseல we are 6 years old. இங்கே are வந்திருக்கு present tenseல. இங்கே past tenseல were. We were 5 years old. Okay. You are 6 years old. You were 6 years old. He or she or it is 6 years old. He, she, it was 5 years old. இங்கே is யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இங்கே was. Okay. Are you clear children? What is the present tense? What is the past tense? Yes. Next, you take page number 61, Roman A. Underline the correct word to complete the sentences. Underline the correct word to complete the sentences. First one, it was or were a sunny day. It was or were a sunny day. What is the correct answer? Was will come or where will come? Yes. What is the answer? Was. Correct. It வந்தா நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும் சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? He, she, it, I. எது வந்தாலும் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? வேறா? No. This is plural, singular only, no? So, was is the correct answer. So, you tick the, underline the was. W-A-S. Was. Was is a correct answer. It was a sunny day. It was a sunny day. Second one, they was or were unwell. They was or were unwell. What is the answer? Yes. They were. They vanda singular or plural? Plural. So, they, you, they will come na? What will come? Was, no. Where. Where is the correct answer? So, underline the where. They were unwell. What is the spelling of where? W-E-R-E. Where. They were unwell. Third one, I was or were the class monitor. I was the class monitor. I வந்தா நம்ம am வருமா? No. Past tenseல was தான வரும்? Yes. I was. W-A-S. Was. I was the class monitor. Fourth one. We was or were in the football team. We was or were in the football team. We plural. So, past tenseல pluralக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Were. Present tenseல என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Are. இல்லையா? So, இங்க past tenseனால நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Were. We were in the football team. What is spelling of were? W-E-R-E. Were. We were in the football team. Okay. Next, fifth one. Rohini was or were a cricketer. Rohini was or were a cricketer. So, Rohiniங்கிறது girl. இல்லையா? So, she. she வந்தா என்ன வரும்? was. W-A-S. Was. Rohini was a cricketer. Okay. Sixth one. The coat was or were brown in color. The coat was or were brown in color. The coat na அது ஒரு திங்ஸ் தானே. ஸோ இட் வரும் இல்லையா? ஸோ இட் வந்தால் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸில் வாஸ். ஸோ த கோட் வாஸ் WAS was brown in color. The coat was brown in color. Seventh one. He was or were an honest man. He வந்தா yes was. He was WAS was. He was an honest man. He was an honest man. Eighth one. You was or were angry. You வந்தா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? Yes. You were. You were angry. You were angry. Okay. Next Roman B. Fill in the blanks using am or is, was or were. Fill in the blanks using am or is, was or were. First one. Yesterday dash a warm day. Yesterday dash a warm day. What will come? Am or is, was or were. Yesterday நாவே past tense இல்லையா? So yesterday was. Yesterday was a warm day. What is spelling of was? W-A-S. Was. Yesterday was a warm day. Second one. We dash in kindergarten last year. What will come? We வந்தா நம்ம என்ன plural தானே. pluralல past tense-ஆ present tense-ஆன்னு எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பேன்? last year. kindergarten last year. last yearனா ஆல்ரெடி முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. present tense-ல இல்லை. நீ last yearல இருந்திருக்க இல்லையா? so we were. past tense-ல were யூஸ் பண்ணணும். நீ உடனே we பார்த்த உடனே ஓகே plural present tense-ல are போடணும் அப்படின்னு நீ பண்ணக்கூடாது. first you have to read carefully in the sentence. okay. so last year வந்திருக்கு. so last yearங்கும் போது past tense அப்படின்னு you have to find the answer. okay. where. what is spelling of where? W-E-R-E. where. we were in kindergarten last year. next third one. He dash working all morning. இப்போ இங்கே ஆல் மார்னிங் எல்லா நாளுமே அப்படிங்கும்போது திஸ் இஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஹீ வந்து நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? ஆம் ஆர் ஈஸ். வாட் வில் கம்? எஸ் ஹீ ஈஸ். நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையா? இட் ஹீ ஷீ இட் எல்லாத்துக்குமே நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸில் ஈஸ். ஐஎஸ் ஈஸ். ஹீ ஈஸ் working all morning. Now he dash tired. now. நவுனாவே present tense இல்லையா? ஸோ he வந்தால் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? yes is. is. He is tired. He is working all morning. Now he is tired. Okay. Next, fourth one. You dash the class monitor last month. Now look this, last month. Last monthல இப்போ மானிட்டரா இருந்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? நான் மானிட்டரா, நீ வந்து எப்போ இருந்திருக்க? You dash the class monitor last month. நீ எப்போ லாஸ்ட் மந்த்ல கிளாஸ் மானிட்டரா இருந்திருக்க. இப்போ யூ வந்தாங்க என்ன வரணும் past tenseல? You were. What is spelling of were? W-E-R-E. You were the class monitor last month. I dash the monitor now. இப்ப nowனா I dash the monitor now. Nowனா present tense past tense? Present tense இல்லையா? இப்ப I வந்து என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? am. Yes, correct. am. am. I am the monitor now. You were the class monitor last month. I am the monitor now. நீ லாஸ்ட் மந்த்ல கிளாஸ் மானிட்டரா இருந்த, ஆனா நான் இப்ப கிளாஸ் மானிட்டரா இருக்கேன் அப்படிங்கிறது. ஓகே. ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன். It dash a good idea. Let us do this. It dash a good idea. Let us do this. இப்போ present tense இல்லையா? ஸோ இட் வந்தா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? is. is. Okay. It is a good idea. Let us do this. Okay. Are you clear, children? Yes. Children, now you take your grammar book backside comprehension. Take page number 79, comprehension. Okay. 25, a little bird. What is the topic? A little bird. A L-I-T-T-L-E, little bird. B-I-R-D, bird. A little bird. Read the poem about a boy who saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail, and far away he flew. Children, already we learned this poem. Is correct? Okay. Can you sing this? Yes. Once I saw a little bird, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail, and far away he flew. Okay? Now you understand the poem and read line by line. Okay? Roman B, answer the questions. Number 1, what did the boy see? What did the boy see? Look at the picture. What did the boy see? Bird. Okay? You find the answer in this poem. Once I saw a little bird. The boy saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. So what is the answer? Little bird. What did the boy see? The boy saw a little bird. What is the spelling of little bird? A little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. The boy saw a little bird. What did the boy see? The boy saw a little bird. Second question. What was the bird doing? What was the bird doing? The bird was dash. What is the answer? You see the poem and find the answer. What was the bird doing? Once I saw a little bird hop, hop, hop. Second, what was the bird doing? The bird was hopping. What is the spelling of hopping? H-O-P-I-N-G. Hopping. The bird was hopping. What was the bird doing? The bird was hopping. H-O-P-I-N-G. Hopping. Third one. What did the boy say to the little bird? What did the boy say to the little bird? The boy said to the little bird dash. What is the answer? Once I saw a little bird hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. What did the boy say to the little bird? The boy said to the little bird, stop, stop, stop. What is the spelling of stop? S-T-O-P. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. The boy said to the little bird, stop, stop, stop. What did the boy say to the little bird? The boy said to the little bird, stop, stop, stop. Fourth one. What did the boy want to say to the little bird? What did the boy want to say to the little bird? The boy wanted to say dash. Look at the poem. Once I saw a little bird hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? Is the answer. Write the answer. Fourth one. The boy wanted to say, how do you do? The spelling of how? H-O-W. How do. D-O. Do. How do. U-Y-O-U-U. Do. How do you do? What did the boy want to say to the little bird? The boy wanted to say, how do you do? How do you do? Fifth one. What did the bird do? What did the bird do? Once I saw a little bird hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail, far away he flew. So answer is, what did the bird do? The T-H-E. The bird, B-I-R-D, bird, shook, S-H-O-O-K, shook his little tail, L-I-T-T-L-E, little tail, T-A-I-L, tail. The bird shook his little tail. What did the bird do? The bird shook his little tail. What did the boy see? The boy saw a little bird. The boy saw a little bird. Second one, what was the bird doing? The bird was hopping. The bird was hopping. What did the boy say to the little bird? The boy said to the little bird, "Stop, stop, stop." The boy said to the little bird, "Stop, stop, stop." What did the boy want to say to the little bird? The boy wanted to say, "How do you do?" The boy wanted to say, "How do you do?" What did the bird do? The bird shook his little tail. The bird shook his little tail. Okay, children. Next, Roman C. Find 4 doing words used in the poem and circle them. Find 4 doing words used in the poem and circle them. Okay, look at this poem and find the doing words. Okay, doing words na enna? Action words. நாம டெய்லியும் ரொட்டீன் லைஃப்ல ஒவ்வொரு ஆக்ஷன் பண்றோம் இல்லையா? வாக் பண்றது, ஸ்லீப் அண்ட் ஈட் மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஆல்ரெடி நீ வேர்ப்ஸ் வந்து லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்க இல்லையா? ஸோ அதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், டூயிங் வேர்ட்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் த டூயிங் வேர்ட்ஸ் இன் திஸ் போயம். ஓகே, ஒன்ஸ் ஐ சா அ லிட்டில் பேர்ட். ஹாப் ஹாப் ஹாப். ஹாப்னா என்ன? நொண்டி அடிக்கிறது, அப்படி தாவி தாவி போவாங்க இல்லையா? அப்போ இது ஆக்ஷன் வேர்ட்ஸ் தானே. ஸோ this hop means doing word. Hop, doing word. H-O-P, hop. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. Cried. Cried means அலறது இல்லையா? So cried also doing word. So I cried, little bird, stop, stop, stop. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? Going. Go also action word. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail. Shook also action word. Past tense la கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Shake, shook இல்லையா? But this also அந்த வால் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு போகுது? இப்படி இப்படின்னு ஆட்டிட்டு போகுது இல்லையா? This also doing words. Shook. And far away he flew. Flew also doing word. Present tense la fly. Past tense la flew. So flew also doing word. What are the action words? Hop, cried, going, shook and flew. Okay, these are doing words. Okay, are you understand, children? Yes. I hope you have understood was and were. Thank you, children.